In this video, we're going to talk about how to find solutions to linear inequalities. So inequalities we started talking about in Unit 1, and remember that they have inequality signs like a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to instead of an equal sign. So 2x is less than -5 is an example of an inequality. X minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5 is also an example of an inequality. Remember that we have these phrases that we can use when we're working with word problems to determine the kind of inequality symbol to use. So linear inequalities can be written in one of these forms. So something like 2x plus 3y is greater than -4 is a linear inequality. Y is less than or equal to -2x plus 7 is another example of a linear inequality. An ordered pair xy is a solution to a linear inequality if the values of x and y make the inequality true. So let's try this example. Is 1, 2 a solution to the inequality y is less than 4x minus 8? So 1, 2 gives me an x and a y value. So let's go ahead and plug that into the inequality and see if it makes it true. So when we plug that in, we get 2 is less than 4 times 1 minus 8. So we're checking if this is true, so let's simplify this. So we get 2 is less than 4 times 1, which is 4, minus 8. So we have 2 is less than 4 minus 8, which is -4. Well, 2 is not less than -4, right? So that means that this is false. So what that's telling me is that 1, 2 is not a solution to this linear inequality. So let's try this problem. Is 2, -6 a solution to the linear inequality 2x plus y is greater than or equal to -4? So once again, 2, -6 gives me an x and y value that I need to plug into this inequality. So when I plug that in, I get 2 times 2 plus -6 is greater than or equal to -4. 2 times 2 is 4. We have 4 plus -6 is greater than or equal to -4. 4 plus -6 is just 4 minus 6, and we're checking if that's greater than or equal to -4. 4 minus 6 is -2, which is in fact greater than or equal to -4. So this is true, so that means that 2, -6 is a solution. So in summary, to check whether a point xy is a solution to a linear inequality, plug the values of x and y into the inequality. If the values prove the inequality true, then it is a solution to the inequality. Otherwise, it is not.